Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're checking out this multi-surge protector. So let's go ahead and unbox it, show you guys what you get. So they provide you with 4 screws for mounting it. So if you want to mount it on a wall, you can go ahead and do that. So there is an on-off switch right here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different outlets. They're all grounded. On the side here you have 1, 2, 3 USB outlets and 1 Type-C outlet as well. Plenty of cable for connecting different devices. So we're actually going to replace one that we have in the corner. That surge protector we're going to replace with this one. Overall, nice design. Plenty of plugs.